this story is called Animal Symmetry. It's about lots of insects that have symmetry. A butterfly flew into Zoe's garden. The butterfly opened its wings. The butterfly's wings look the same, said Zoe. They have lines and spots in the same places. And there it is under the magnifying glass. A fat caterpillar was eating a leaf. This caterpillar has 2 long feelers at the front. They are the same size, said Zoe. It has 2 short feelers at the back. They are the same size too. You can see there is a line of symmetry that she's drawn to show how it's the same on both sides. There it is under the magnifying glass. A yellow bee was looking for food in the flowers. Bzz, bzz, bzz. A bee has 2 big wings and 2 little wings, said Zoe. You can see the line of symmetry down the middle of the bee, and it's the same on both sides. And that's how it looks under the magnifying glass. Zoe saw a black and yellow spider sitting on its web. The spiders have 4 legs on one side and 4 legs on the other side, she said. There we can see the line of symmetry down the middle. And this is how the spider looks under the magnifying glass. It's a very pretty spider. A big brown beetle was on a log. The beetle has 6 legs, 2 feelers and 2 eyes, said Zoe. Wow, beautiful. Zoe said, this grasshopper has lines and spots on its legs and its back. The lines and spots look the same on both sides. The colours look the same on both sides too. There it is under the magnifying glass. A lizard ran out of the grass. This lizard has big round eyes, said Zoe. It has lines down its back and spots on its tail. And you can see the line of symmetry. Some animals have patterns on their heads, their backs and their wings, said Zoe. Look again at the symmetrical patterns on the small animals in Zoe's garden.